First things first, let's clarify the core question: does Worldremit actually allow you to send money from Uganda to the USA? The short answer is yes, Worldremit facilitates money transfers from Uganda. However, it's important to verify the current status and any transfer limitations before you make the transfer. Remember that international money transfer availability changes. Now, let's look at the steps you typically take. First, head over to the Worldremit website or open the Worldremit app on the homepage. You should find a section specifically designed to send money. It generally asks you to select two important pieces of information: the country you're sending from and the country you're sending to. In this case, this should be Uganda as the origination country and the United States as the destination. After selecting Uganda and the USA, the system should then present you with available sending options such as mobile money, bank deposit, or cash pickup, contingent on the payment setup used by the sender and the receiver. Each option might come with its own set of fees, such as a flat fee or a percentage of the transferred amount. So compare these before your actual transfer. Check any daily or transaction limits that may apply to your sending or receiving account. Ensure you can transfer the amount you need. Next, the Worldremit user will need to provide the required receiver's details. This includes the recipient's name, address, bank information, and possibly ID verification. The specific information needed depends on the payout method selected. You'll submit the transaction details and review the fees and exchange rate before agreeing to the transaction. Take a moment to double-check all the details to avoid errors. In a nutshell, Worldremit does support transfers from Uganda to the USA. Just be sure to verify the current status, understand the fees and exchange rates, and carefully check all the transfer details before you complete your transaction. And remember to subscribe for more videos on money transfers and other financial tips.